Hey guys, Shonnah here, this guy here. We're in Dublin, Ireland. We have a to-do list. We're doing a lot of stuff, a lot of drinking, and it's gonna be super fun. He's super stoked, I'm super stoked. I hope you enjoyed the clips of today, and let's get straight on into it. Hey guys, Shonnah here with my friend. He likes to drop water bottles and shit. Wow, whoa! Hey guys, Shonnah here. So I made some new friends. We got, you're supposed to say your name. Alright, Jen.
Scribbles.
Bree.
G-Scripts.
Vinny.
Y'all know me.
Jen's getting undressed over here.
Oh, she's getting undressed. Pretty ratchet stuff, you know. She's just getting lotioned, you know. That's cool. I get lotioned by my friends, I hope. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go to a bar. I'm not gonna show you clips. I might. I'm not sure. I hope you enjoy.
Ow, look in the face.
Good job. The tradition continues of beer pong every time we meet, and I'm gonna win again. Hey guys, Shonnah here. Second
Vinny
day
here.
in
Hey
Ireland.
guys, second day in Ireland.
It was,
And
a pretty fun
good
night.
Yeah.
Light night.
We were drinking and the dancing.
We met some friends. It was a really good experience.
It was a good experience.
It's never a bad time when you drink in Ireland.
It's never a bad time when you're drinking with friends.
In Ireland. We're pretty much gonna get some
go
Vietnamese
to the museum
food.
today after we get some
We're gonna check out
Vietnamese
drinking
food.
places.
And then we're probably gonna drink some more.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoy.
Tune in. Stay tuned.
And we're doing things the Irish way.
And don't forget to do things the Irish way.
Bye. A Guinness beer. I'm completely Irish now. It's official.
Hey everybody, what's up? Vinny here. So here we are, the top floor, just hanging out, drinking. It's pretty cool. Been having a good time. Cheers. Stay tuned for later.
Hey, Jen here. This is Bree. And we're at, where are we? We're at a pub. I am going to interview Vinny today. Let's see what he has to say. Hey there. How did you enjoy your experience at the bar today?
Well, I had had a great time today. All thanks to you, Shonnah. You know, if you weren't here, we wouldn't have gotten here. You paid for the Uber. You had the idea to go to the gallery.
Let's take a moment to thank Shonnah. Thank you, Shonnah.
Here's to Shonnah. No, drink this one. You like this one.
Here's to Shonnah for being the coolest Asian chick out there. Oh, here she comes. Here comes the star herself.
What are you doing?
Let's hear it for
Cutie.
Shonnah.
Hey guys, Shonnah here. I don't know what they did, but I hope it's not bad.
Oh, it's bad. Oh, very bad.
Hey guys, Shonnah here. I just woke up. I don't know where I am. We are on a tour for today, so there's a lot of cool things to see. I think we're at Blarney Castle or Blarney Stone, but I'm not fully sure.
But if we are, we gotta kiss it.
He's got his lips ready, but we might not even kiss it. I've already kissed it, so it's good. Pretty much. Hope you enjoy the clips, and let's get straight on into it. Shonnah here. We're at the cliff of Moher, and I hope you enjoy the views. It's a cliff. Oh my god, it's so freaking windy. But yeah, get into it. Enjoy. Bye. Hey guys, Shonnah here. So we're in the hostel. We're checking out now. It's our last day in Dublin, unfortunately, and it's been so fun. Today we're gonna try to go to the whiskey factory and just taste whiskey because that's an Irish thing to do. And then we're off to Bath, which will be a different video. But regardless, I hope you enjoyed the clips, and let's get straight on into it. Cheers to our last beer in Ireland.